In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your sending email address with Email Octopus. Verifying your sending email address is an important step because it confirms that you control the inbox you want to send from. It also helps improve deliverability and reduces the chances of your messages being rejected or marked as suspicious. First, you will go to Settings. In most Email Octopus dashboards, Settings is where you manage the parts of your account related to sending, authentication, and sender configuration. Take a moment to locate the Settings area in the main navigation. Once you are there, the next menu you see will help you manage sender details. Next, click Senders. This section is specifically designed for sender management. Here, you will be able to add, review, and verify sender addresses so that Email Octopus knows which addresses you are authorized to use. After you click Senders, give the page a moment to load so all options are visible. Then click Verify New Sender. This is the point where the workflow begins for adding and verifying a new sending address. If you already have verified senders, you may see them listed here, but this option is for starting the verification process for a sender that has not been confirmed yet. Once you select Verify New Sender, you will be guided through the verification choice. After that, select Verify Email Address. This tells Email Octopus that you want to confirm ownership of an email address by email verification. This step matters because it ensures the system sends a verification message to the address you provide. Make sure you are choosing the email address verification option and not a different verification method. Now, enter your email address. When you type the address, double-check that it is correct and formatted properly. Email verification depends on the message reaching the inbox you control. If you make a mistake here, you may not receive the verification email, which would delay the process. Once the address is entered, you are ready to request the verification. Next, click Verify. At this stage, Email Octopus will send a verification email to the address you entered. You might see a confirmation on screen that the request was submitted successfully. If the interface shows a status message, take a second to read it so you know you have completed this part of the flow. After you click Verify, open the verification email. This is the message that Email Octopus sends to your inbox. Go to the email account you entered earlier, then check your inbox for the verification message. It might also be worth checking your spam or promotions folders in case automated filtering places it there. But the main goal is to find the specific verification email from Email Octopus. Finally, click Verify Email Address inside that email. This is the confirmation link or button that completes the verification. When you click it, your browser may open a page that confirms the verification status. You can then return to Email Octopus and expect the sender status to update as verified, depending on how your dashboard refreshes. That is the full process from starting in Settings to completing verification through the confirmation email. Once the sender is verified, you can use that address confidently for sending campaigns within Email Octopus. And that covers everything you need to know.